All right, guys. So we're into the next chapter here, which is going to be 11.9. All right. And basically what we're finding here is surface area and volume of spheres. Okay? So, for this one, the first thing we have to do is we got to talk about parts of the sphere. So, this part right here, this line that goes from one side to the other side of the sphere, that is going to be our diameter, okay? That's going to be our diameter, so that's not changing from when we've done circles. The line going from the center to the outside, all right, is still going to be the radius, okay? And then just the point in the middle, that's just going to be the center. So all that stuff is the same from circles, okay? This time we're just looking at, like, I think about it as like three-dimensional circles. That's what it is, okay? It's a sphere, it's a ball, okay? A sphere is nothing more than just a ball. That's what I think about. The word you probably haven't heard before is this, and I'm going to erase some of this, is the term great circle, okay? So the great circle is this dotted line, this circle right here, okay? And basically what the great circle does is it cuts it into what we call two hemispheres, okay? When I think of hemispheres, I think of the globe. Obviously, I think about how we're in the northern hemisphere, how South America, they're in the southern hemisphere, okay? So basically, if you just took a ball and you cut it directly in half, all right, what you would have is that circle that sliced it through. That is what we call the great circle. So it's kind of got a cool name there, great circle. Kind of got to say it with like a little accent, like, oh, the great circle. All right, anyways, beside the point. So that's the great circle. So it cuts it into, like, I think of like two slices. So like the northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere, western hemisphere, eastern hemisphere, whatever it may be. That's what I think about. I think of a globe getting cut in half. Okay, so that's the great circle. So the volume of spheres, okay, is going to be, the volume formula is right here, 4/3 pi r cubed. And guys, this is where these formulas, okay, since there's no end of course exams, have them with you. You know how I feel about formulas and everything. You can look this stuff up. If you have a job and you're trying to find the volume of a sphere, you're going to look it up. So guys, these two formulas down here, volume and surface area, have those next to you. If you're taking a quiz, if you're taking a test, I do not care. Have the formulas with you, okay? Anything you're doing, any math Excels, any Canvas assignment, anything that you're working on, worksheets, whatever, have them next to you so that way you can use them, because it's more important that you can use them versus memorizing them. I don't really care, okay? So have them with you. Use them for the quiz. Use them for the test, all right? So we have to find the volume of the sphere right here, okay? So volume formula is 4/3 pi r cubed, okay, because it's volume, so it's going to be pi r cubed. So volume equals 4/3 pi r cubed. So for this, radius is 7, 4/3 times 4/3 times pi times 7 cubed. You got to plug this in your calculator, okay? Make sure, and this is where, guys, if you want to plug it all in at once, that's fine. Just make sure you use parentheses. A lot of times what I do is I do 7 and then cubed and multiply that by pi. And so when you do that, you should get, for a final answer, 1,436.76. Okay, and that's going to be inches cubed. All right, so that is going to be your first one right there, doing 7 cubes times pi times 4 divided by 3. Okay, looks like we're going to get cut off. We'll do the rest in the next video. Okay, guys.